The error code 99 on a tankless water heater indicates a problem with the exhaust vent, resulting in reduced ventilation within the unit. This issue can be caused by a blocked exhaust pipe or water buildup in the fittings. To fix the error code 99, start by inspecting the exhaust pipe for any blockages and remove them if present. Additionally, clean the air intake filter and inspect the fitting valves. It may be necessary to disconnect the vent structure from the heater to check for water buildup at the fittings, and if found, drain it out before reconnecting the vent structure. Once these steps are completed, reset the water heater by removing the front cover with a screwdriver, pushing in the minimum and maximum buttons, and holding them while flipping up the second switch on the dip switch until the controller flashes, which takes about 5 seconds. Then, push the switch back down, release the buttons, and press the power button to turn the heater back on. Finally, replace the cover and reattach the screws securely.